Welcome to our exploration of solar energy. Today we embark on a journey to uncover the power of the sun, its brilliant benefits and the challenges solar panels can pose to nature. Get ready to learn how solar energy works and why it's reshaping our world. Solar energy is the radiant power emitted by the sun. This abundant and renewable energy is captured and transformed into electricity and heat, providing a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. It powers our homes, businesses, and even entire communities. Solar panels capture sunlight using photovoltaic cells. When photons hit these cells, they generate an electric charge. This process, known as the photovoltaic effect, converts light into electricity, a simple yet powerful phenomenon driving modern renewable energy systems. The photovoltaic effect is at the heart of solar power. When sunlight strikes a solar cell, it excites electrons, freeing them to create an electric current. This natural conversion process provides a clean and efficient way to generate electricity from the sun's energy. Solar energy is renewable and clean, producing no harmful emissions during operation. By harnessing the sun's endless power, we reduce reliance on fossil fuels and help combat air pollution, paving the way for a sustainable and healthier environment. Solar energy empowers individuals and communities by promoting energy independence. With decreasing costs and rising efficiency, homeowners and businesses can save on electricity bills and take control of their energy sources, leading to long-term financial benefits. Switching to solar energy significantly lowers greenhouse gas emissions. By replacing fossil fuel-based power with clean solar energy, we reduce carbon footprints, mitigate climate change, and protect our planet for future generations. Solar energy drives economic growth by creating new jobs and spurring innovation. The renewable energy sector offers opportunities in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance, fueling local economies and fostering a dynamic, green workforce. Solar energy is a key player in the fight against climate change. By replacing carbon-intensive fuels, solar power helps reduce air pollution and preserve natural habitats, contributing to a healthier planet and a more sustainable future for all. Despite its many benefits, solar energy depends heavily on weather conditions. Overcast skies, rain, and shorter winter days can limit sunlight, reducing the efficiency of solar panels. This variability poses a challenge for consistent energy production. Large-scale solar farms require vast tracts of land, sometimes leading to habitat disruption. Converting natural landscapes into solar installations can displace local wildlife and alter ecosystems, presenting a significant environmental challenge. The manufacturing process for solar panels is resource-intensive. It involves mining raw materials and energy-consuming production techniques, which can contribute to pollution and resource depletion. This side of solar energy highlights the need for sustainable practices in production. When solar panels reach the end of their lifespan, disposal becomes a challenge. Many panels end up in landfills, and current recycling processes are still evolving. This disposal dilemma raises concerns about long-term sustainability and environmental impact. Some solar panels contain toxic substances like lead and cadmium. If not properly managed, these materials can leak into soil and water, posing serious environmental and health risks. This issue serves as a reminder that even green technologies have hidden costs. Expansive solar installations can disturb local ecosystems and wildlife. The construction and operation of solar farms may alter migration patterns and displace animals, affecting the delicate balance of nature. It's essential to consider these impacts in solar development. Researchers are exploring sustainable manufacturing methods to reduce the environmental footprint of solar panels. Innovations aim to lower resource consumption and create eco-friendly materials, paving the way for greener production processes that benefit both energy generation and nature. Improving recycling techniques and repurposing old solar panels are key areas of innovation. New recycling methods and creative second-life applications promise to extend panel lifespans, reduce waste, and make solar energy even more sustainable for the future. Solar energy remains a transformative force in our quest for sustainability. While challenges exist, Continued innovation can balance its benefits with environmental responsibility. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe for more insights and help shape a brighter, greener future.
Subscribe to Ai-sci-fi.